lead students. So today we're going to talk about vacuuming. So the first thing we want to do is look around the area that we're going to vacuum and see if there's anything we need to pick up off the floor that could damage our vacuum cleaner. So I'm looking for any kind of little toys, pens, anything that could get caught in the vacuum and damage it. What I do see is a little area rug, and the suction on my machine is too strong for this. So I'm going to just pick this up, throw it over the railing, vacuum that separately. So the first thing I do, take my cord and safely plug it into the outlet on the wall. All right. Next, I'm going to find my on button, the power source. Mine's red and it happens to be right here. Sometimes they're located in different places on the handle, or some even operate with your foot. But mine happens to be right here. I'm going to talk a little bit about what I'm going to do, because once I turn it on, you might not be able to hear me so well. I'm going to do it in a nice up and down pattern so that I don't miss any of the carpet. So I'm going to start right here, use this as my edge point, go to the other edge point, then turn it around, and I'll see on the rug nice straight lines. That way, by the time I get to the other end, I'll know I didn't miss anything. I'm just going to show you one time, because I know some of you are very sensitive to the sound of a vacuum cleaner. For that, I might suggest putting on your headphones. Okay. One other thing I forgot, don't run over your cord. Only leave as much slack in the cord as you need to do one path, okay? Because if you run it over, that's how we hurt the cord, and that can be dangerous. I'll finish this entire area, but just because we're short on time, I want to show you the last, second to last step actually. Emptying your container. So mine works like this. I have a little button on here. I push the button down, lift up, and you can see all the dust in the vacuum container. So I take it over to my garbage can. Mine's pretty easy. Just push the button, and the dirt goes into your garbage can. You just put it back on, and you are ready for the next job. When you are completely finished, safely remove the cord from the outlet. Don't pull on it with the cord. Get down next to the outlet. Use your fingers and pull it out so that we don't fray the cord. And then we are going to wrap our cord. I like to make kind of a figure 8. It takes up more cord a little bit faster. You can hook the piece right to the cord, and there you go. All right, lead students, help out around the house and get out those vacuum cleaners. Have a great day.